Okay, class, welcome to another class del curso de inglés para usuarios de computación y tecnología. En este curso aprendemos todo el vocabulario técnico con el inglés de gramática y lo juntamos todo para que puedas utilizar el inglés en tu trabajo de computación o de sistemas. En la clase de hoy tenemos una clase que tiene una habilidad. La habilidad de hoy es describing functions and describing features. Cómo describir las funciones de algunos aparatos, tecnología y también algunas de las características especiales que tenga. Lo vamos a ver a través de la gramática. Vamos a analizar este control de PlayStation 3 y lo vamos a hacer con las preposiciones correctas, los verbos correctos. Lo vamos a juntar todo para poder formar las descripciones de las funciones y algunas características de este aparato. Lo vamos a hacer todo totalmente en inglés. Inglés intermedio, básico. Necesitas esta clase de gramática, estas habilidades de gramática para subir tu nivel a inglés avanzado. La habilidad de hoy es describir las funciones. Okay, class, today's class in your English course for computer users and technology, IT, software developers, or anyone working in the computing industry, computer science, especially technology. In today's class, we have a skill describing functions and describing features. Describing functions, describing features. When you describe what the gadget or the technology or the device is supposed to do, or some of the traits or features that it has. Exercise A. Look at the help box. This is the help box. Today we're looking at the help box, and then we're using the notes below. We have some notes here on functions and features to write a description of the Sony PlayStation 3 controller. Okay. To write the description, we need the help box. To describe the functions, as you heard in the last class, in the listening exercise, the mouse was described using for plus verb ing. Gerund means the verb plus ing is the formula. Verb. It's used to describe something that is true in the moment of speaking. Let's look at some examples in the listening. It says here, this device, so we have a device, for detecting. It is used for detecting. Verb ing. Verb ing. selecting ing. Let's look at some examples. This is a device for controlling, and selecting, for controlling and selecting. Excellent. This formula is used to describe functions. A different way of describing functions is the one in the listening we heard. It is used to plus the verb. No ing. No ing. Used to control. It is used to control. This is a device which controls. Used to control. Which controls. Or this is a device that controls. That controls. That is used to control. How does it work? How does it work? It works by detecting, selecting, controlling. Works by. Works by. So, to describe functions, we have for controlling, for verb ing, for controlling, selecting. Used to, it is used to, the device is used to control. Which controls? Which is used to control. That is used to control. Or the last one, works by. Verb ing. Detecting, controlling, selecting. Now, listen so we can check describing the features. The features are different traits or characteristics of the device. So we use the verb have or has. Features, because the features. You can do this or you can do that. That's a feature when you can do something. It works like this or it operates like this. And it lets you, it allows you to, you can do this. It lets you, allows you to. The ability, it's for the ability, like can, for ability, allow, or let. Or the verb has, or it works like this. It operates like this. Allows you to, lets you, works without cables. Let's look at some examples. We can describe features like this. For example, an optical mouse has an optical sensor instead of a ball underneath. This is the optical sensor. The other mouse has a ball underneath. This one has this feature. This feature. The feature is an optical sensor or a ball. different features. It usually has two buttons, and a wheel, Or it features or has. You can connect it. You can answer multiple choice questions. You can connect it to a USB port. A wireless mouse works without cables. A wireless mouse operates without cables. For example. Now let's look at the PlayStation 3 controller. The function: control video games, hold it with both hands, use the thumbs to handle directional sticks and face buttons. Okay, let's mix and you make a complete sentence in your notebook. Write the complete description of the Sony PlayStation 3 controller. Let's start with the functions. First, let's use used to. Number 1. The Sony PlayStation 3 controller is used to control video games. There it is. First part of the description. We'll say Sony PlayStation 3 controller is used to control video games. Finish. Oh, we should have a capital letter for the T, right? There we go. Okay. How does it work? You hold it with both hands. It works by holding it. See, detecting, we need to put ing. Remember? Verb ing. Okay, it works by the controller works by holding with both hands. Use thumbs. Using the controller works by using thumbs to handle directional sticks and face buttons. Okay, please describe the features of the Sony PlayStation 3 controller. No problem. The Sony PlayStation 3 controller is used to control video games. It works by holding it with both hands. The controller, one controller, not all, well, yeah, all the controllers, but the controller works by using thumbs to handle directional sticks and face buttons. Now talk about the features. Okay? The features. Let's do it. Features. It has 6-axis sensing system. Oh. It has a 6-axis sensing system. Also, it features a wireless controller. It features Bluetooth. It features a wireless controller, or a wireless connection, you can say, or it features Bluetooth. So, you can connect without cables. You can connect the controller without cables. It's wireless. The controller operates, works, or allows the user, or you can connect. You can connect the controller using a USB mini port and cable, and to charge. You can charge the controller on a USB mini port. Fantastic. Okay, let's talk about the Sony PlayStation 3 controller. Let's look at our description. Can you please describe the features and the functions? No problem. The Sony PlayStation 3 controller is used to control video games. It works by holding it with both hands. The controller works by using thumbs to handle directional sticks and face buttons. It has a 6-axis sensing system, and you can connect the controller without cables, or you can connect it to a USB port, USB mini port. It allows you to charge the controller on a USB mini port. You can also say that it allows the user to charge the controller. Now write your description, a nice description of the features and the functions of the PlayStation 3 controller using the help box. Using this help box, we have some functions and features, some different devices so you can practice: a barcode reader, a touchpad on a portable laptop, a webcam for the computer, a touch screen for the car, for the GPS. Choose one of these devices Choose all 4 devices and try to describe the functions and the features. Please describe the functions and the features. In the next class, I'll show you how to do the barcode reader, the touchpad, the webcam, and the touch screen. Practice with these 4 devices and the Sony PlayStation 3 controller. Make sure you have the correct prepositions for. Make sure you have the ing. Make sure you have the original infinitive verb. And make sure you also have the third person singular, the S, works by.